Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and today I am going to tell you the story, one from the Tenali Raman tales, and the name of the story is the Tenali Raman, the horse trainer. So let's start to the story. So Tenali Raman was a court jester in King Krishnadevaraya's court. He was also one of the wisest men in Vijayanagar where the king ruled. His tales of humor and wit are extremely popular, and he is often equated to Birbal, one of Akbar's nine gems. Here is one such story. An Arab merchant once visited Vijayanagar. He went to King Krishnadevaraya's court and claimed that he had brought with him the finest horse in the world. The king wanted to expand his army and was very impressed by the horses. He, he took a quick look and decided to buy them all. However, feeding and training all of them were going to be a big task. So the king made an announcement, every family will be given one horse to train and feed for 3 months. For this, each family shall receive 3 gold coins monthly. Tenali Raman was also given one horse and 3 gold coins. He built an enclosed stable in his backyard with one little window and kept the horse in it. While everyone else would spend a lot more than 3 coins given by the king to feed their horses, Raman would only provide his horse with a little hay every day. The horse was now used to eat whatever little was fed from that window. Every other horse was healthy and fit, but their caretakers had grown weak. 3 months passed. The king ordered everyone to come to the palace with their horses. All the people came, but Tenali Raman did not bring his horse along. Another courtier and Raman's rival Rajguru saw this as an opportunity to bring Raman down before the king. He roared, "Why didn't Tenali Raman bring the horse, Your Majesty?" To which Tenali Raman replied, "Your Majesty, the horse is too ferocious. I dare not to go near it." Rajguru did not budge. He insisted that we'll go and bring Tenali's horse to the court, and the king too ordered him to do so. As Tenali and Rajguru reached the stable, Tenali said, "I am warning you, Guruji, do not go near him." "What nonsense," said Rajguru, and put his head inside the window to see the horse. The horse that was starving instantly caught the pot and held the Rajguru's beard, thinking it to be a bunch of hay. Rajguru winced with pain, and soon all villagers gathered around. They concluded that there was no way other than breaking the stable to free Rajguru from the house. They brought down the structure, but the horse would still not let go to Rajguru's beard. Only after the beard was chopped off, Guru was relieved. The villagers managed to drag the untamed horse to the court. Seeing the skinny horse, the king was very upset. He asked Tenali why the animal was in such a condition. To everyone's surprise, Rajguru argued, "I am sorry, Your Majesty, but this skinny horse is the mightiest to all." Tenali Raman said, "My lord, to prove your might, you need the strong horses. Now you have the strongest horse, but weak men. Strength does not lie only in your horsepower." The king had learned the lesson. Thank you.